Click on the customers option at the left side of the screen. Search and select the customer you want to edit their billing details. Beside the details, at the right side, click on this pencil icon. Then you may scroll down until you see these billing details. After that, start to add or change your customer billing address. If you also do a product shipping to your client, you may do a check mark on the same as billing details option, just like here. It will automatically copy the billing address above, and when you are good with everything, tap on the update button at the bottom. There you go. As you can see, the billing address of the customer already updated to the new one. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.